All right, girl. It's just you and me. Let's show them what we got.
What a disgrace! You should be ashamed of yourself.
Rumi! Rumi! Let's see what you've got.
Prepare to eat my dust. You almost hit me. Are you trying to wreck us both? I'm just trying to win the race.
Disqualified him unfairly, and now we've lost the race.
Are you okay?
Are you hurt?
We have to fix this bike.
We'll fix it together.
You want to make sure the throttle snaps back properly? See how smooth that is?
Oh yeah, much better now.
Hey, watch out!
I know I can. I know I can. Get it! I did it! We won! I hate this mud! I absolutely hate it! Why won't this stupid thing work? Thank you for helping me through this trip. You are amazing. We finally made it.
Not fake, real human hair.
I didn't expect this. Just hair, and yet the price was that high.
I haven't eaten since morning.
Just one is enough. I'm not asking for much.
2 ice creams, please.
Any flavor is fine. Just make sure they're cold.
Most of them just choose the harder way. There are things you sell once. Money doesn't always come from clean paths. There are things you do once and you're set for a long time.
Almost done. Don't wake anyone. No noise. You just sell hair, and the money comes. No waiting, no luck needed. It's done. I got a lot of hair, more than I expected. Full quantity, as promised. Isn't that hard? It's hard only because people overthink it.
Don't turn away. Now tut it.
Don't stop. Stay calm. Keep running. The money's here. Don't look back.
Stop. Don't run. You won't get away. Drop the suitcase. I've got you. Who cut my hair? Don't tell me it was a mistake. Don't say you don't know. I saw it.
At last. Everything's okay. Just holding this suitcase makes me feel lighter.
Did anyone see someone running this way? He took something that belongs to me.
I'm exhausted. My legs are still shaking. My heart's racing.
You're on the pool. Nowhere to hide.
Drop it. You won't get away.
Forward drive.
What do you want? Where is it?
Don't move. Did you really think stealing would have no consequences? I warned you. You ignored it. Look at you, trembling like this. Did you really think you could fool me?
Look at that. So pathetic.
I've never seen anything like this. It's absolutely massive. How is this even possible underwater?
To our beautiful city, may it thrive forever beneath the waves.
And to us, my lord.
This city is beautiful today.
It truly is. I can't wait to see the festival at the Archway tonight.
She should have returned by now. Something is wrong. I can't wait any longer. I'm going after her myself.
Your breathing is a little shallow, but your heart sounds strong. Everything seems stable for now. Get some rest, and I will check on you later.
Please tell me how she is. Is there anything we can do? I beg you, save her.
Please, Doctor, you must help her. The illness is spreading too fast. I can't lose her.
We won't give up, Your Majesty. We still have options. Your tea and pastries, my liege. Enjoy!
Ah, thank you. I must say, this is the most enjoyable tea party I've attended all week.
Oh, absolutely. And your story about the sea serpent was hilarious.
They thought they could defy me, but soon this kingdom will be mine.
I love you so much. I want to stay here in your arms forever.
I need your help to remove a nuisance. The king's favorite maid is becoming a problem. He poses a threat to your ascension. Let me help you remove the servant permanently. Very well.
Princess Amara, wake up! Please, open your eyes!
Here is the ambassador's wine. I shall deliver it at once.
The Crimson Vintage is one of my favorites.
It is my pleasure, Your Highness. I hope it meets your approval.
I can't wait any longer. You are mesmerizing.
Please, we shouldn't. Someone might see us.
I'm so ashamed. I can't face them.
It's all right. Don't worry.
And you expect me to just ignore it?
We have to stop them now! I saw what you did. How could you betray me like this, right here in my own chamber?
We must keep moving. It won't be long before they realize we're gone.
They took her. I tried to stop them, but I failed. Now she is lost to us.
I have to find her quickly. She wouldn't survive long in these ruins alone.
I had to tell you. It's yours, my child.
How am I supposed to protect you both from in here?
We have to reach the surface before they catch us.
But what if it's a trap? The guards are everywhere. It's our only chance.
I can see something through the light.
What is it? It looks like another world.
Even here, with you, it feels like paradise.
How could you do this to me? I gave you everything, and you betray me like this!
Seize her! Bring the girl to me now!
Where are you taking us? Let us go!
Keep moving, or it will be worse for you.
You open these gates right now! We demand to be released!
You'll pay for this!
I swear you will all suffer for this indignity.
I still can't believe he tried to juggle the sea urchins. The look on his face when they popped.
He truly is the court jester, isn't he?
This is the best party ever.
My heart belongs to you, my love. Forever and always.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Rumi, how did you become like this?
Rumi! Oh my god, Rumi! Wake up, please wake up!
Someone must have harmed Rumi. Why is there a silver hair on your hand, Zoe?
Wait, no. It's not.
I remember now. It started when...
Rumi and I went shopping together. And we saw a wig shop.
Hurry, I can't wait to see what they have.
This is gonna be amazing. Look at that one.
Wow, look at this place. It's incredible.
I know, I've never seen anything like it.
I also found a beautiful silver wig. The silver hair on my hand must be from that wig.
I know this looks bad, but you have to believe me. This wig, it's complicated. I should have told you the truth sooner.
So Zoe has an alibi. What about you, Mira? What book is this? Basic elderly care? Explain, Mira.
I swear to you, I didn't do it. You have to believe me. It wasn't my fault, and I tried to stop it, but I couldn't.
Rumi and I went to take care of Celine. But we didn't know what to do.
Wait, look up there.
We saw the book at Celine's house. Thanks to the book, I learned how to cook for Celine. And Rumi knows how to take care of Celine. Honestly, that book was really useful for us.
Leaving only the sound of gentle waves and the comfort of knowing they were...
Here is the evidence. A video of me and Celine reading the book together.
So it wasn't you who harmed Rumi either.
What about you, Jinu? You keep blaming us?
No, that's not right. I didn't do it. Please, you have to believe me. I can explain.
Then what is that bottle in your pocket?
You used this bottle to make Rumi older, didn't you?
That day, I repainted Rumi's bedroom. But I accidentally spilled a bucket of paint on Derpy. I was afraid Rumi would be angry. So I decided to go to a hair dye shop. I bought blue dye to recolor Derpy's fur.
Don't make a sound until I figure this out. We can't let them know.
Look, Derpy's fur is still not dry, so there are still white streaks here.
How could you do this to us, Jinu? You promised. I didn't have a choice. It was the only way.
Don't lie to us. We know the truth.
Oh, they are arguing so intensely. Did I go too far with the joke? Guys, I was only joking a little. Stop arguing. I just set up a little prank. I went to the bathroom and made myself look older with makeup to scare you. Hey, are you mad at me? I was only joking a little.
You went too far with this joke, Rumi.
I wish I could take credit, but I got them from that new bakery downtown.
I'm just so happy right now. This is the best afternoon.
Absolutely. Everything feels perfect today, doesn't it?
That is the most amazing wig I have ever seen.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, I am thrilled to introduce this gorgeous new synthetic lace front, featuring our signature shimmer fibers.
at that loser! You really thought you could beat me? Ha 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 ha!
Here you go.
I'm really looking forward to this.
Thank you very much.
We appreciate your business.
I'm so excited to finally give you this. It's the invitation to the launch party.
Wow, thank you. I'd love to come.
This party is absolutely wonderful, isn't it?
It really is. I'm so glad we came. Cheers.
This is incredible! I can't wait to see what's inside.